Say good morning, Sterling. So, what are you guys up to today? I got this piece of honey locust that I turned into a charcuterie board, and I wanted to show how I apply the board butter. Get a nice glob. See that? Okay. And I just slowly work it into the grains. And this is the first application of board butter. So I want to make sure that I put a nice thick layer. And then what I do is I repeat this process 3 times. So it gets a total of 3 thick layers of it. And I kind of keep track with the light. You can kind of see where you've applied. See the difference? See how it's thicker in the middle? I got to add a little bit more along the side here. But that's kind of how I keep track of the application here. Just scoop it right out. See? Nice big old batch. And I come back. Once I rub this in, I let it set, dry to a haze, just like if you're buffing your car. Put your wax on, you buff it, and then you let it dry to a haze. And then you go through and you wipe the excess with a clean, I use these. And then what you do is you buff it, and when you're done buffing it, there won't be any oil, any grease, any residual board butter. But I do this 3 times, and then over the years I do it every couple of months depending on the use. Same thing like with cracks. See a little knot? I'll pack it in there. That adds a lot of security to the inside there for the most part. It's not a guarantee, but it'll definitely help. Let's take a look. See, I didn't do the handle, so I had something to hold on to. That's a pretty good application. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this right on the side here. I'm going to let that dry to a haze. And then I use this one for the buffing. I'll wipe it down. Okay? And then I just buff it. And that is how I apply my board butter. Especially on the initial, that's the most important time. You really want to get that soaked into those grains and all those fibers. But yep, that's what I do. So I'm just going to let this dry up, and then I'll wipe it off and buff it. And it'll look beautiful. So that's the honey locust charcuterie board. Charcuterie board. My wife makes fun of me because I can never say it right. So it is how I say it. Charcuterie board. Happy farming, y'all. Later.